Infinity Studio, unimaginable creator of learning.
What's up, guys? Okay, so on today's tutorials, we are going to change our structure from AutoCAD to Revit. So the things that you've done in AutoCAD, you are going to change them to our Revit model. So it means we'll be sending all our files, like our drawing, the line width and everything, to the Revit software. So this is how it's going to happen. So you can see we are having the AutoCAD file here. We are having a lot of project in it. So this was a project done by Infinity Final Project 2017. So we are going to change all these drawings into our Revit model. So as we said, or we've been saying already, this is the day one on our Revit tutorials. We giving you updates on every 3 days for you to learn Revit very fast. So on day one, these are the various things that you'll be doing. We'll be creating levels. We will be naming the levels. So we are going to bring them to the project browser. We are going to link the card to Revit. So let's move to our Revit. So before you can start a drawing in the Revit model, the first thing you have to do, as we said in our introduction, you first have to create levels. So the levels is going to allow you to find a series of heights, or the levels will give you the series of height that you want. So as you can see in the AutoCAD, you can see we are having various level from ground level to the slab level. We have also okay, and the roof level as well. So before you can get the height or the level as the same in AutoCAD or in Revit, you have to come to maybe your north or your south or your east elevation, or let's use the east. So Revit has given us level 1, so we can see the level 1 from here. So when I click on the level 1, you can see we are having a blank space. The working area is very blank. So when I come back to my west elevation, it means there is nothing on the level 1. So maybe because we are changing our AutoCAD drawings into Revit, we will go back to our AutoCAD drawing and you will find the level 1. The level is supposed to be ground level. After ground level, we'll have the first floor level in this section, as you can see. So let's get back to our Revit. So we can change, so you can click here the level 1, then you can change. Let me zoom it out so that you can see. So you can change it to ground on floor or ground level. So it will give you an option. Would you like to rename the corresponding view? So yes. So now the level 1 has changed to ground level. So we can select on this one, then click on copy. Then you can specify the height by tapping it on your keyboard. So let's say 3 meters to give us level 8. So you can click on this one and change it as well. Let's say first floor level. So we are having ground level, so we have to get a ground floor where our floor will be. So we can check that one from our AutoCAD file. So let's check it from the section. So it means we're having a ground slab of 450 mm thickness. So we come back to our Revit, then copy this one on top of this one, 450 height. So we are going to change this one to ground floor level. It seems our levels have crashed, so you can click on this one and click on this small thing to break it for us. Then you can hold here and drag it, that you can see the various name of our levels. So this is how you can create your levels within here. So now you can see the height from the ground floor level to the first floor. You can take a measurement. It seems is 2550. It means it's not up to the 3 meters. You can click on it back and click on 3 meters, and you are good to go. You can also copy this one, select on it, copy, and copy this one. So 3 meters. So you can change the name here and rename it roof level. So now you can now take a dimension. Take a dimension for your levels to see if you get the accurate dimension that you need. When you need the specific dimension you need for your rooms. So now we can have our levels here. So you can see from our project browser that the floor levels are here, and we are having only ground floor level. We are not having the rest of the floors that we've created. So how are we going to get the various floors? So before we can get the various floors as the ground floor like this, we have to come to our view. Our view are the things that we want to see in our various model. So we can see, as we said in the introduction to Revit, the view template, the visibility graphics and stuff. So before you can get our various plan, we come to plan views and we click on floor plans. So the floor plans are here. So you can see the first floor plans, the ground floor level and the roof level. So you can select on it by using your control key plus your left click. When you click on it, it opens the various levels that you've selected here. So now you have our ground floor level, we have our roof level, we have our ground floor level, we have our ground floor level, and we have our first floor level. So these are the various elevation that we do have inside. That's the south, the east, the west, and the north elevations that you can see from here as well. We can position this one very well. So I hope you are learning something, and like this is the one, as I said, there are various videos that will be coming that will be very beneficial to each another. So keep watching and keep subscribed to the channel for us to receive daily videos. We are not yet done. On our topic today, we said we are creating levels, and we are bringing the various names of the levels to our project browser, and we've done that. And we are going to link the CAD file that we are having here. So it means we are changing we are sending the AutoCAD drawings to the Revit file. So what we can do is to send the ground floor or link the ground floor so that we can now start projecting our drawings to get these elevations, to get these pictorial views, to get the block plan and the site plan here. So these are the various table of content that you are going to provide. You're going to provide block and the site plan, the ground floor plan, the first floor plan, foundation plan. I think the foundation plan will be treated in the structure drawings, and the roof framing plan too will be done both the architecture drawings and the structure drawings. We have the roof plan, the section DD and the section EE. So these are the various table of content that you are going to have in our daily lesson as we go on. So now we have to link our ground floor plan to our Revit model. So how is that possible? So to link an AutoCAD file, we have various types to link a file to the Revit file. So you can come to insert, we have the manage links, and we have the import card. So before you can do that, you have to come to your AutoCAD model, then select on the file that you want to link to your Revit file. Then you give it a command write block. So you can see from here, write block w block. Then you give it a specific name here by selecting this 3 dots here. So you give it a specific name, ground floor. Then you can save it from here. So let's go back. So it means we are having one of the file here that have been saved, ground floor. So you can see it from here. Let me select it so you can see it. So that's how it is. Let's click on escape. So now we have to export our CAD file to the Revit model. So let's go to our ground floor level. So we are almost at the ground floor level. So we are about to export. We are going to use the manage link. So it's asking us to save, so we have to ignore it for the meantime. Then you come to CAD format. It means you can link the Revit file, IFC file, then a CAD file, and so on and so on. So I'll come to add from here, then I'll select on ground floor. So these are the various options. You can also browse through where you've saved your linked file. So I'm having a folder called link to Revit. So I'm about to link to the Revit. So I will select the current view only, and I will preserve the colors, the position, auto center to center. So now you can click on open, and it's going to load into the manage link. So under the manage link, why is it called manage link? It means you can manage your link, how and where and which way you want it. By reload form, you have the reload, you have unload, you have export, you have add or remove. So now we've added, so you can click on OK. So you can see our model, our link model is now in our Revit with various lines in it and with various dimensions in it, with various sections. So I think our day one lesson is very complete, and I think you guys have made a useful learning about our lessons. So there are more videos coming on, and this is the one. I hope you are going to practice this back and front to learn it, so that when we have day 2 you'll be able to get it fast. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for us for the latest videos, and click on that little bell for us, so that when our video is released you can get it very fast and learn it This is coming from Infinity Studios. Thank you.